Let them go and move on. Let them go. The people who are discouraging, hurting, frustrating, problematic, not happy with you, and want to leave you, let them go. I'm sorry. They are like a stumbling blocks. They are seasonal people like leaves on tree. Don't be desperate. It's better to be alone. Once Einstein said, solitude is painful when one is young, but delightful when one is more mature. You can do something meaningful and productive in life for yourself as well as for society. Believe me, as life goes on, good, loving, caring, supportive, and encouraging people will come in your life. Trust yourself, live your own life, and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel.